Hello, Rudy Campos with the Rudy Campos home selling team at eXp Realty. I have a question for you. The question is to buy or not to buy a home, and that is the question. Most people in this time of the year are beginning to make plans for next year, what they're going to do, what they want to accomplish, the goals that they have, etc. There's a lot to think about. One of those plans and goals should be to consider buying a property, single family home, or investing in multifamily or real estate in general. And so this is something that I think is a good decision for you to make because it will impact you, your family's life, financial life, as well as yourselves and in the future. So consider the following. You are either owning a property and living there and creating equity for yourself, or B, you are either renting a property, and C, you are also might be in any of the above scenarios that we just mentioned, you are paying a mortgage, right? So if you own your property or paid it off, you had a mortgage or you have a mortgage. If you rent and are paying the landlord, you're paying the landlord's mortgage. So you're still paying a mortgage. And if you own an investment property, you are paying or paid off a mortgage, and now you're receiving income and cash flow monthly. So let's take a look at the 10 benefits of investing in a home or a multifamily property. This is important for you and your future. Number one, you get to build equity. So every time you make a mortgage payment, you're also building equity for your home and for yourself. Number two, you have a fixed monthly payment for 15, 20, or 30 years. Unlike renting a property, every tenant knows that the rent is going to increase sooner rather than later. Number three, you have tax write-offs. You have a mortgage interest that you can write off, as well as the taxes, the property taxes. Number four, you create leverage, borrowing against your property. If you want to, borrow money to pay off debt or to invest in another property, you get to borrow money. Number five, you can add or decorate and improve your property to your taste and the way you want it, and that also adds value to your home. Can't do that with a rental. Number six, you can build an ADU and possibly a junior ADU, depending on your home and the size of the home and the lot. So that also would create a situation where you could have additional income, or you can have a family member move into the property. Number seven, you can convert your garage to an ADU. The state is allowing people now to do that because housing is short. We need more housing. Number eight, if your lot is bigger than 8,000 square feet, you can probably subdivide that lot and build a second dwelling there and possibly build an ADU as well. You got to check with your county or with your city. Number nine, you can work out of your home and get the tax deductions for home office. So there's the opportunity. A lot of people are now working virtually from their home. So you can do the same thing and have a tax write-off because you are using part of your home as your office. A lot of people may not know that. You can't do that with a rental. And number 10, you can rent your home and generate additional income and depreciate the building or single family for 27 and a half years, a commercial property over 39 years. You want to talk to your accountant or tax attorney to get that information. So as a tenant, again, you don't have any of the benefits that I just mentioned. That's one of the best reasons, or these are 10 of the best reasons why investing in a property is better than not buying a home. You talk about, the higher interest rates, etc., right? I was just looking at a bill. Basically, most of the card holders are paying anywhere between 18 to 29.9% interest on credit card debt. Now, that's a lot higher than owning a house with all these benefits. So if you're thinking of buying a home, call me, Rudy Campos, 43 years in the business, Let me put my experience and my knowledge to work for you. You can call me directly at 805-479-2992. 805-479-2992. You can also text me at that number. And please don't forget to click on the like button, as well as share the information with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel, YouTube, so you can get more information on more topics. Next topic we'll be covering is the difference between buying a single family home and its benefits versus a multifamily property and its benefits. Talk to you soon. Thank you.